Okay, doing a valve adjustment on my Honda Civic, but this applies to any front-wheel drive car with an open differential. Limited slip will change things, but for today's purposes, just open differential. Have the car in the air, spark plugs are out. I have the right wheel sitting on a block of wood with the car's weight on it. No jack stand under that side, just the weight of the car on the wood. Left wheel is free to rotate up on a jack stand. Parking brake is set and I'm in 5th gear. Higher gears give you better mechanical advantage. So all I need to do, sorry I don't have a tripod or anything, spin the wheel by hand, super easy. As you can see, the engine rotates accordingly. Normal direction of rotation on this is counterclockwise, so it's rotating in the proper direction. And that's it.